This is the Hallie and Melissa show.
Okay.
And we already mixed it all together.
Yeah, but you need milk, vinegar, ice cream, mini marshmallows,
sugar,
brown sugar.
brown sugar, yeah, and then
You're gonna want
muffin mix.
Yeah, anytime. And then you're gonna want to put it. It's fine.
And then you're gonna put 3 tablespoons
Of butter.
in there, and then you're gonna want to mix it around. Don't mess with the marshmallows. And
Then you're gonna want to get a blender.
okay.
The blender's right there, and take it over to the sink. Get the tap on.
Oh.
And then you're gonna want to put some hot water into the.
See what thingamajig? This thing's in the way.
And then
Then you're gonna want to pour it in there. Ow.
then you're gonna want to pour it into the blender.
And then you're gonna take it over to the blender.
And where's your salt?
I don't know. And then, so there should be, it should look like this in your blender. The top's soaking wet.
Okay,
better
and
not
you're gonna
spill
want
on
to
this.
push it on blend. For about 10-20 seconds, but we didn't do it that long.
Because it's not even blended, but
And it's gonna stink really bad. Take. Damn, we gotta put fish sauce in it. I went to
okay,
get out.
then you're gonna add some.
Yeah, we didn't tell you about this at first,
It's out here.
but you're gonna need to get the. If y'all have any,
It looks
get
like this.
fish sauce.
This. And you're
You're
going
gonna wanna put it in
put
there.
You're gonna put 3 splashes in there. 1, 2, 3.
And then you're gonna wanna take this outside. And if you happen to live on a lake,
What a coincidence!
what a coincidence! We live on a lake.
Okay, you need to hurry because it's getting dark.
You're gonna wanna take it out to the
Don't
lake.
run! Don't run! Don't run!
And it's gonna smell really bad.
It's gonna look really cool though. Or if you have a pool or something that your mom or dad hasn't cleaned out yet, or your guardian hasn't cleaned out yet, please use that.
Yeah. And
Don't use anything valuable. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wee. Do this.
Oh, that was my
hair. Me too.
and you're gonna wanna go inside.
Really fast because it's really cold out here. Ow.
Then you're gonna wanna mess with your brother, but we ain't got time for that.
Or your sister. Doesn't really matter. And then
You're gonna wanna go inside. Rinse it out real good.
please do not do this without a guardian watching you.
Then you're gonna wanna clean up your mess and everything. These results may vary. Please do not use this without any adult around. We are not responsible for any explosions. Thank you. Bye.